hope you had a great 4th of July weekend. I know it's been a couple of weeks, but are you still remembering the great flavor of whatever you successfully barbecued? Or are you still wishing you had chosen something else or done a better job? Maybe you needed to cook it longer. Maybe you needed to add more liquid. Maybe you didn't know what you were doing with your flavors. So flavor is the name of the game when it comes to barbecue that is smoked in a real smoker. I'm holding a piece of apple wood, which if you have a good pit barbecue, we've got pieces this long in all the flavors. So you can do real large pieces and get a better smoke for longer and spend less money. But when we talk about flavors, and if you've never tried anything like apple or cherry or even peach, or maybe you tried mesquite and it was a little more bitter than you liked, that's best in my opinion on beef. Some people like pecan because it's more mild. Some people like hickory because it has a very unique flavor. So if you don't think you did the greatest job with your holiday smoking project, come and see us. Let us recommend something new and different or some combos and see what you did wrong. Let us help you figure out maybe if you used the wrong kind of meat, didn't go long enough hours, didn't know how to keep your heat even. We'll help you with that. And so will our customers at the Premier Grilling stores and other grilling stores that we supply. So check our website, give us a call. Thanks for using us for your grilling wood.